Welcome to the Secretary Cottage, and I have something fun to share today. I purchased this rug for $25 at an auction last week. So I saw the rug, it was in a pile on the ground of the auction house. It was too big for me to open and really look at, but I loved the colors, so I bid on it, and I was thrilled when I got it for $25. I had help to put it in my car because it's just so heavy, and it wasn't until I got it home I realized how large the rug actually is. It is very old. I think it could do with a clean, and it has a small hole that needs to be mended, but I love it as is. It's beautiful, and I really love the colors in the room. Thrifting and auction houses are just so much fun. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe.